Early bird, early tagay. Let's drink, guys. Early in the morning, we have coffee. Tara na, inom na tayo. Alas 8 sa buntag. 9 in the morning yan, guys. Inom tayo ng San Miguel Lines. Enjoy natin ang ating Thailand trip. Ayan, drink as you can. Drink as long as you want. Yan. Enjoy life, guys. San Miguel Lights sa Thailand Phuket. And guys, tikman natin lahat ng alak para tayo madrugi maaga pa lang. Magpakalasing tayo, guys. Relax natin yung ating sarili. Ayan.